Today, I'm going to show you how to get a list of meeting attendees in Zoom. This is incredibly useful for tracking participation, following up with attendees, or keeping records for compliance purposes. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.us. Once the page loads, sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're logging in with an account that has administrative access, as you'll need these permissions to view meeting reports. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your Zoom dashboard. Click on Admin to expand the administrative options. From there, select Account Management, which will reveal additional menu items. Now click on Reports. This section houses all the analytical data and participation records for your Zoom meetings. Now, before we go any further, there's something important you need to know. In order to enable and access these detailed participant reports, you must first upgrade your Zoom account from the free tier to a paid plan. Since I'm currently using a free trial account, I'll walk you through the remaining steps so you know exactly what to do once you've upgraded. Once you have access to the Reports section, you'll see a list of your past meetings displayed in a table format. Browse through this list and locate the specific meeting you want to review. When you find it, look at the Participants column on the right side of the table. You'll notice a number there indicating how many people joined that meeting. Click on that number to proceed. A pop-up window will appear on your screen showing comprehensive participant details. Here you'll see information like each attendee's name, their user email address, the exact times they joined and left the meeting, the total duration they were present, and whether they joined as a guest or registered user. This gives you a complete picture of who attended and for how long. If you want a cleaner view without duplicate entries, for instance, if someone left and rejoined multiple times, you have an optional feature available. Look for a checkbox labeled Show Unique Users and check it. This will deduplicate the list and show each person only once, which is helpful for getting an accurate head count. Another optional but very useful feature is the export function. If you need to save this information for your records or share it with others, click the Export button. This will download the entire participant list as a CSV file, which you can then open in Excel or any spreadsheet application for further analysis. Once you've reviewed all the information you need and saved any necessary files, simply close the pop-up window to return to your reports dashboard. And that's it. You now know how to access and export your Zoom meeting attendee list, giving you complete visibility into who participated in your meetings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.